If you're on a GLP-1 or thinking about starting one, you've probably realized something pretty quickly. Your doctor gave you the prescription, but nobody really told you what to actually do once you're on it. What should you eat when you're not hungry? How do you stop the nausea? How much protein is enough so you don't lose muscle? Is the hair loss normal? Why does your energy feel weird some days? And what happens long term? That's exactly why we created Getting Started with GLP-1s. Inside this course, you'll learn how these medications actually work in your body, what's normal, what's not, how to manage side effects, how to protect your muscle and bone health, how to hit your protein and fiber goals, and how to build habits that make your results last. Because this medication is a tool, but without the right strategy, you're guessing. And your health deserves better than guessing. If you're ready to feel confident instead of confused, this is your next step.